Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up a domain on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right now, here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section. You're going to find orders, products, customers section, content, analytics, and also marketing and discount. And here under sales channels, you're going to find point of sale and also online store. And here you're going to find apps. And lastly, here in the bottom, you're going to find the settings for your Shopify store. So go ahead and click on settings. And once you click on settings, here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find general, plan, billing, users and permissions, payments, checkout, and so on. So here in this list, go ahead and search for domains. Once you find domains, give it a click, and then you're going to be here in this page. So once you're here, you're going to find your domain, as you can see, guys, right here. So this is my primary domain for my online store. You can also change to a new myshopify.com domain. So just click right here. And then as you can see, guys, you can choose the domain that you want and then check if it's available. If it's available, just go ahead and click on add domain, and then you're going to be able to change it. If you want to buy a new domain or connect an existing domain that you have, you're going to find the options here. If you want to buy a new one, just click on buy, then search for the domain. And if it's available, you're going to be able to buy it. If you already have an existing domain that you want to connect to your store, just click on connect existing domain, type the domain, click on next, and then you're going to be able to connect it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.